Good afternoon. Welcome back. We're going to do some slab flattening today. We have bolted our little flattening disc onto the Lucas and made the adjustments necessary to get it flat. There's a bolt you have to adjust to do that, but we got her done, and we're getting ready to flatten this big red oak here. She's an oldie but a goldie. It's been around for a few years. We cut a few years ago. I haven't measured it, but it looks like it's at least 32 wide. About 10 foot long. It'd been down 2 years before we cut the log. Red oak over at Clemson University beside it, the old colonel's house. They think the colonel planted these trees in 1820, but we don't know. Who knows? It came down beside the house, and they were brought to me. And not at that time, not too many people could cut anything. They were 48-inch diameter, so these slabs came off of it. I got a few left, so we're gonna flatten them and see if we can't get them marketable again. See if anybody's looking for some big wide slabs, long stuff. The end pieces are a little checked and gonna have to come off, so probably gonna end up being about an 8 or 9 foot slab by the time it's done. But we're gonna bring you along with the journey of flattening it and let you see what it looks like before and after. And like I say, the sapwood is about gone. I mean, it came off in a few spots here when I was loading it up. It's been so dry and brittle out here. It's gonna have to be the main part of the wood's good, so you have to fake the live edge back in, or somebody can square it up however they want. But we're gonna clean it up with a whiz wheel and see what they look like. So come along. We won't bore you with all the flattening details there, but this is gonna be a quick video. But as you can see, we have more room in here. This beast can do about 60 wide, I think. And with extensions I can do 20 foot long. So if you need any slabs flattened, feel free to give us a holler. We'll probably be the cheapest in town, and we'll do you a good job, or we will try to as best we possibly can. So thanks for watching. We'll be right back to start flattening here. pass up much, we'll give updates as we get each pass on. Keep working, going down about 2 to 4 millimeters at a time on the first few passes till we get it down level and then flip it and start all over. I'll get back. This is the third pass. Coming down, so we are down 6 millimeters at this point. So the millimeters is a small step. It's easy to do millimeters, but it's getting there. Slowly but surely we will flip it. Alright, we're back. And we got it in. Still a little spot here. So what it is, this is probably going to be an epoxy job on the end if I had to guess. And someone will probably cut this off on both sides. If it was me, that's what I would do, and then pour square mold and epoxy black on the ends would be perfect. She's flat. It has gotten a little thinner. I think it ended up being 8 2mm passes. So we took off a little bit of meat on it. Hopefully we'll end up around 1.5 inches by the time we're done, but we're going to flip the slab and do the bottom side. But we won't be as aggressive on the bottom because this is the one that's going to reveal. We just want to get the bottom fairly flat. It don't have to be perfect because that side nobody really sees. But we will do that side and we'll be back. We'll show you before and after. Alright, we're back. We got it flipped. This is the bottom side of the slab. You can see we had to put screws in here to hold this slab from sliding this way. The machine wants to push especially boards this way. But with a big slab usually stays there pretty good. But we will see how this one goes. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Again, it took 4 passes at 2mm each to get it down. But there's one little spot here that could be sanded out. But like I say, the legs are probably going to go in here unless somebody cuts it off and makes it a bar top. And there's one spot over here on the bottom side of the slab. It's not worth keep flattening. I could, but it's not worth it. We were just going to flatten one and put it on the market. We've got 3 slabs left. If you're interested, contact us. We're going to post them online tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. We're up at the mill on the hill, Dunraven Sawmill. Thanks for watching.